So there's one question I want to ask. What is trending now in farming here in the Greater Accra region? I see that a lot of people are doing onions in this area, the Dawenya irrigation system. Why is it? Why is that so? Is it the weather? Is it the supply of the seeds?
Okay, so in Ghana here we have regions and agroecological areas in the country. Okay, we have climate variabilities in the country. Okay, what happens in the south may not be the same as the middle belt or the northern aspects. Okay, so one in Dawenya here, the major cropping season, like you said, onion, is from May to let me say September. May to September. May land preparation for onion. Planting start from June to July. Okay, then you manage it. Only take 3 months to grow. So you can see that now we are in July. So we started land preparation from May. Then you have to, once you are doing land preparation, you have to prepare your nursery. You have to nurse how you plant. So the nursery to take place in that period, May to June. Then by July, if you are late, by mid of July you should plant. So onion have a season. So in Accra here or in Dawenya here, onion season start from May to September. The planting preparation start from May to July. Okay, planting start from May to July. That's the period for onion production. So that's why when you come around, you see a lot of people trying to do onion. After this period, when you do the onion, you may do well, but the weather, that's weather, either being rainfall or dry, extreme dry drought, can affect it. So you see that within this period, you can see how the weather is kind of humid. There's too much wind in the atmosphere. The weather is kind of cool, calm. It's good for onion. Green pepper like dry season. Doesn't like rain. Only like rainy season. You see, so when you do it, it will do well. That's why I put it in my name.
So after, you said after September, right?
From May
to September.
Yes.
So after September, what will be the next?
After September, you can decide to do green pepper, you can decide to do cucumber, you can decide. Tomatoes, when you do tomatoes here at that period, because of the weather, it doesn't do well.
It doesn't do well.
It doesn't do well. So sometimes we leave the land. Then the major season is January to March, which is the green pepper season. For the winter year, green pepper season for the winter year.
January to March.
January to March. When you do, let's say December to March, when you do green pepper in that period,
it does well.
Yeah, it does well. If you're able to control it within Accra here, it will do well. Fantastic. So that's it.